Welcome to another video. This is what I ate today as a breastfeeding mother. My baby is almost 8 months old, 7.5 months old, and we're still breastfeeding, and I'm still pretty hungry. And I still eat vegan, plant-based. I eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. I eat whole plant foods. Occasionally I have processed foods. I'm not super strict or anything like that. I'm not militant about it, but it is super important to me to eat whole plant foods most of the time. I feel my best on fresh fruits and vegetables, and as well as cooked foods like grains and potatoes and sweet potatoes and lots of beans and lentils and things like that. I just did a little yoga practice, just about 30 minutes. I've been working out every day lately, which I kind of can't believe is happening. I just sort of put no pressure on myself and decided to work out when I can and ask for help, and try to get a workout in every morning, whether that is a yoga practice or some squats and lunges or even a run. We've been running with the stroller. The way I managed to do that is I just sort of ask Eric to take the baby, and as soon as I can, I hop on my mat like right when I wake up, just to get it done. And then sometimes the baby's out there with me and I'm sort of like mothering while working out. You know how it goes. Yeah, it's working out, pun intended. All working out, because you know why? Everything works out, which is my motto and mantra. Let's get into what I'm going to eat today. I'm going to start my day off with a fresh juice. I really don't juice all that often, but you know, it's a special occasion. I'm vlogging, so we're gonna make an awesome juice. And I have this gorgeous aloe plant that I'm going to try to harvest. I've never harvested and had aloe, like drank the aloe that I harvested from my yard before, but I looked up videos how to do it, because it is sort of like there's a specific way you have to do it. You've got to soak it, you've got to get rid of the yellow latexy stuff, and then you can drink it. So we're gonna make something yummy and refreshing today, especially because it's gonna be super hot. It's gonna be a warm, sunny one. And if you hear lots of fireworks in the background, that is because there are fireworks in the background. In our neighborhood, people like to play with fireworks year long, all year round, but especially during 4th of July season. It's right during my baby's nap time, and they're very loud, so yeah, sorry about that. Oh gosh. Oh, Allie, I'm making a mess. This is way too much effort for a Monday morning. I was like, I'm gonna chop up my aloe today. Alright, what a mess. But they look beautiful. Oh my goodness. Come and get it. Look, isn't that pretty? And then you can grab it, and then we'll cheers it. Oh wait, bring the cheers lower. Lower. Nice. Totally natural. Today's video is sponsored sponsored by Wild Deodorant. Thank you, Wild, for sponsoring this video. I am so excited about this product to share this natural deodorant with you. My favorite thing about Wild is that it's a totally natural deodorant and the ingredients are so good, and it comes in an aluminum forever case. This is one you will keep using and you do refills. This is the first deodorant of this kind and I love it. I think a lot of us are on the hunt for a good natural deodorant that actually works, and that's why I'm so excited to share this with you. It's aluminum free, sulfate free, paraben free, and this deodorant is not antiperspirant, something that's very important to me. This is the Coconut Dreams that I've been using and I really love the scent. It's a very natural, simple scent. If you're someone who doesn't love lots and lots of fragrance, this is the one I would go for sure. The packaging that your deodorant case and refills come in is 100% recyclable, and the packaging that your refills come in are made out of bamboo pulp and are 100% biodegradable. It's totally zero waste. It's really awesome. The other scents I got are the Jasmine and Mandarin Blossom, as well as the Bergamot Rituals. I got the ones that are good for sensitive skin. If you're ready to try a new natural deodorant, I really recommend Wild. You can click the link in my description and use my code to get 20% off your first starter kit. Thank you again to Wild for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to what I eat in a day. This is the person I was cheersing.
Hey.
This is Allie, my assistant. She comes over a few days a week and we get so much done when she's here. You just like help me stay focused. And we just like kick ass. We get a lot of stuff done. We're working on one of those like cool things that they tell you to do in marketing. Really, it's providing a lot of helpful information. I'm trying to really focus on people who want to go vegan but they need some help. I did a really casual Instagram poll and apparently only 30 to 40% of my audience is vegan, which is kind of crazy to me. It just sounds like I have a lot of work to do. Even if they want to go vegan or not, I got work to do. And so I'm making a free download that is my top 5 vegan tips, like beginner vegan tips. And I put a lot of work into it and she's just designing it for me because that's something I don't know how to do. And we're gonna make it really beautiful and awesome, and you are going to download it and it's gonna be helpful.
It has so much helpful info.
Thanks, Allie.
So much.
Yeah, it's
I'm
like
really excited
it's really
about
cute and it's gonna look beautiful because you're very good at what you do.
Thank you. So are you.
Thanks. I'm going to make a small green smoothie just with some frozen banana, a couple handfuls of spinach, and some hemp seeds and water. It's pretty simple. If you haven't gotten onto the green smoothie train, now is the time. It's very simple. Do not be, intimidated by green smoothies. Baby spinach is a great place to start for your green smoothies. I always like to put frozen bananas, and I think I want to make a video soon about how to make the perfect smoothie because it's getting warm out and it's smoothie weather. And I think that some people feel like they have to follow a smoothie recipe. You do not. You can just throw stuff in a blender, blend it up, and it's gonna be amazing, trust me. Baby is sleeping and now we're going to make some lunch. I'm going to make a kimchi noodle salad. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet, but I have some prepped veggies and I'm gonna put lots of garlic and obviously kimchi along with some of my favorite ramen noodles. It's going to be delicious. Allie is going to help me film this because it goes 1,000 times faster. And as a reminder, this is not like nail polish that I haven't taken off yet. I slammed my finger in a car door a couple months ago and it's still sort of growing out.
Just trying to focus. Looks so good.
Really good. Oh my gosh. That is a good strawberry. Holy moly. Welcome to dinner time when the baby just has so much to say, and I'm so hungry. I don't know how that happened, but I really need a little snack, so I'm having some berries while I put together some dinner. Now, this is the section of the program in which we talk about the whole village aspect of raising a child. I still accept help. My baby is almost 8 months, and I need help. I'm not Superwoman, so there's a lot to do in the house, and I accept help whenever it is offered. And my mother is incredible, and she offers to bring us food, make us food, have us over for dinner, so I don't always have to be thinking about dinner. And it's obviously getting easier and easier as the baby gets older, but hi! And I just want to encourage anyone who has that incredible privilege, the incredible opportunity to have family members or friends who are still offered to help, accept the help. There's nothing wrong with help. Like, you don't have to do it all on your own. Ask for help, and don't be ashamed. Don't have so much pride. You know what I'm saying? The reason I'm saying that is because the meal that we're having tonight has already been made. We went over to my parents' house yesterday, and she was like, "Oh, I just pulled these veggie patties out of the freezer. Do you want them?" And I said, "Yes, thank you so much." So we're just putting pre-made veggie patties on some parchment paper to bake them up, and we're going to have some burgers and sandwiches. Problem is, though, the patties have mushrooms in them, so I need to make something separate but adjacent for Eric, because Eric detests mushrooms. So all I'm doing is I have some field roast sausages that Eric really likes, and I'm gonna grill those up, so where he's gonna have sandwiches. Same thing, it's just different patty.
Hello, my dear.
Hello, my mother. I have a question for you.
Okay.
You know those veggie patties that you gave me?
Yeah.
What's in them?
Well, I think it's Chef AJ's recipe.
I love corn.
I imagine there's. Do you never see it either?
That is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy these beautiful sandwiches and my corn on the cob with my baby and my husband. I think he gets freaked out when I'm like talking to the camera because he's like,
It's just like